What do normal people do at 6 a.m.? Because I do shit like this, okay? I clean the fridge off, I pull it out of here, and I decide that it's a great idea to clean it in the morning before work. Why do I do? I don't know. It's just how I'm wired, I guess. I work better in the morning. I have no fucking idea. That's really not that bad, seeing as how this fridge was placed here maybe 15, 20 years ago and then never moved again. It's literally just a bunch of dust. We got some cobwebs here on the wall, and then you got the little drippies from where the counter meets the fridge. You know, it's really not that bad. So we're going to buckle down. We're going to get in here, put in the hard work and the elbow grease, and we're going to clean this shit up. Yeah, those bags have been back here for a minute. Spray this good old degreaser here. Just some watered down degreaser. Yeah, buddy, that's right. Scrub this up, looking purty already. Oh, the water's not looking good that I'm rinsing my sponge out in, but the fridge is looking great. The floor looks good. My house will probably smell better when I get home. I won't be able to tell now, but whatever. Then we wiggle this fucker back in there. I even had time to pull the oven out. I did that. I just didn't film it. I didn't capture that on camera for you, but so my entire kitchen is pretty damn clean this morning. And then I even decided, what the hell, while I'm at it, I might as well clean the fucking floor, right? Can't stop at the fridge and the oven. We gotta wipe this shit all down. Well, you know what? If nothing else, this makes me feel a lot better.